Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the App Store. Tap your profile icon now. Sign in if prompted, then pick Purchased and My Purchases. This surfaces every app tied to your Apple ID. You do this because deleted or off-store titles remain linked to your purchase record even when they no longer appear in searches. Once done, scroll or search the list. Make sure to switch accounts or family members if you bought the game under a different Apple ID or family share. Next, narrow the list with the built-in search and inspect entries carefully. You can type the game name, developer, or keywords. The list shows purchase dates and whether the app is available to download again. You do this because availability can vary. Some entries let you reinstall, others only show the record. If you don't find it, make sure you checked every Apple ID you ever used and check family purchases, since the game may be tied to a different account. Finally, attempt to re-download by tapping the cloud icon. If the icon is missing, the store no longer hosts the binary. You should record the purchase entry, screenshot the date and app title, so you have proof for support requests. If things go wrong, open Settings right arrow your name, right arrow media, and Purchases right arrow purchase history to confirm the charge and entry. You can then contact Apple support with that screenshot and purchase details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.